Hey guys, Damien from Ranger Mods. Just a few tips on fitting our weather shields to Ranger and Raptor. Let's get into it. So first we want to prep the surface that the weather shields are getting applied to with Prepsol or wax and grease remover. You don't have to do this, but it is much better because it will stick a lot better. You can get Prepsol from your local Bunnings or any auto parts store. Do that on obviously both sides. And just let that dry. Then what we want to do is remove the backing tape. The kit comes with 3M adhesion promoter. What we want to do here is, while it's wet, just apply very lightly along the tape. This will make it stick a lot stronger. Give that about 30 seconds. Line the shield in the correct spot. Make sure that you line that up with that plastic there on the mirror trim. And make sure that it's lined up with the rear as well. Push it along until you get to the end. Push it down nice and firmly. And that's it, and we just repeat that for each door. Make sure the car doesn't get wet or washed for 24 hours after applying them, just to make sure that they've adhered properly.